So these two products are made by Apex Energetics. I use a lot of Apex in my office. It's a great product line, there's so many others. But the two products, one is called Repairvite GT and the other one is called Repairvite SE. So what are they for? They are for trying to restore leaky gut in the body. And in leaky gut, I don't have enough time in this video to explain it, but previous videos you will have them, or you'll see that explanation. So it really calms down the digestive tract and starts working at restoring leaky gut. I use a lot of Repairvite in my office, but there's two kinds, or two major kinds. The Repairvite GT, that is loaded with L-glutamine. L-glutamine, it works on restoring that intestinal lining and working on those tight junctions. The Repairvite GT, that's a product you can use if you don't have severe bloating or gas. If you have significant bloating or gas, you're probably going to want to use the Repairvite SE. The Repairvite SE is a product designed for SIBO, and if you look in previous videos of what SIBO is, or the video on Labs Cyrex Array 22, I talk a little bit more about what SIBO is. So if you're dealing with that bloating and gas, you're probably going to want to use the Repairvite SE. If you are just dealing with a lot of severe GI stuff, the Repairvite GT is the product for you. And I always recommend just using the dose on the container and then going up from there. But if you are using the Repairvite GT and you're noticing an increase in gas and bloating, go to the SE so you make sure that you're not flaring any of that.